Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 16. Sharing news and information.
Did you hear the news?
What happened?
Our cousin went into labor and had her baby last week.
She did? Why didn't anyone tell me?
I would have thought that somebody would have told you.
No, I had no idea.
Well, she did. Her baby was 8 pounds 6 ounces.
Oh my god, that's great.
Are you going to go and visit her and the baby?
I think that I might.
Good. I just thought I'd let you know.
Thanks for telling me.
Have you heard what happened?
Heard what?
Deborah already had her baby.
I didn't know that.
I thought you knew.
I honestly didn't know.
The baby was 8 pounds 6 ounces.
That's good to hear.
Will you go and visit them?
Of course I will.
I just wanted to give you the good news.
Thanks for letting me know.
Have you heard the news?
I haven't heard anything.
Deborah had her baby last week.
Nobody told me.
I thought you heard.
I really wasn't told anything.
She was a cute 8 pounds 6 ounces.
Wow, how exciting.
I know, you should really go and see her and the baby.
Of course I will.
I just wanted to let you know what happened.
I appreciate that.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.